Hello all, let us see the construction of the displayed sketch using AutoCAD. Let us start with the central axis line, which is vertical followed by a horizontal. Now as this sketch is symmetrical with respect to a horizontal line, I can create the bottom half, then I can reflect it, or else I can do mirroring. Reflection is nothing but mirroring, or else top half can be created, that can be mirrored, anything is fine. So to save the time and use the tools properly, I just create one half, another half I'll just mirror it. Okay, let me start with a vertical line followed by a horizontal. And what should be the length of the axis line? According to your convenience, you can take any length, but to draw the features properly, what we plan is, we have to calculate the overall height of the sketch. Now here the maximum height given is 100, beyond that there is a limit again. So this is maintaining a radius of 32. So on either sides, so 100 plus 32 plus 32, okay. So 164, you can take up to 160 also, because this 32 radius is maintained, a center is maintained, not with respect to the 100th line, it is inside that particular line. So 160, 170, 150, anything is fine. So simply I'll take a window where I have already fitted all the units. Now I'll take a line, let me draw a vertical of 160. Now I just move this line by turning off F8 somewhere here, Z enter, enter. Alright, let me change the color and style of the line, which I have already shown in other lectures. I'll just try to load the center line. Here it is, okay. Then again I'll load a hidden line also, okay. Now select the line, then go to properties, select center line. Now change the color to some dim color which will represent to H line. Yes, this is how it look like. Now again I'll go back to the sketch. Here what I'll do, at some offset, now a 65 offset is given, followed by, I'll just drop the bottom horizontal. I'll draw this bottom horizontal at some point. I'll take a line, randomly I'll pick a point, F8 on, I'll draw an axis line. Okay, from here an offset is there, O, enter, through, enter, this line at a distance of 100. We got these two. Okay, so this is one horizontal at a distance of 100, there is one more horizontal. Okay, so next there is a center line exactly at the middle of this particular sketch. So there I just try to draw this set first accordingly. Now I'll go to that point, then I offset again this line to a distance of 50. Now there at 50 I'll try to draw the internal circle of, internally there is a circle of 40 diameter with 32 radius, there is one more circle. I'll go back, I'll take a circle, 40 means 20 is the radius, and one more circle is of 32. We got both. Let me extend this axis line, and let me change the style also. I want to convert to center line, then the color should be like 2H. Okay, centrally we have created. Then again I'll go back. Now here 32 radius is drawn, constructed, then 40. Then below, if you could see here, there are two circles concentrically, one is of 26 dia and one more is of 10 diameter, 26 and 10, which is an offset distance of 36 on both sides of the axis line. So I'll go back, I'll take offset, enter. This one 36 divided by 2, 18 one side, same to the other side also. Okay, wherever these two verticals intersect with the horizontal, there I need to draw circle. One is of diameter 10, so 5 is the radius, if I am not wrong. Yes, diameter 10, 4 holes of diameter means 1, 2, 3, 4s. Accordingly 26 diameter is 1, 26 diameter is 1. So directly I can take center diameter also, I will put it as 26. This is one more. I can mirror both to the other side also, which is possible. I can mirror both. Okay, simply I will select first one, second one, mirror option with respect to this line. No. Okay, so now again the center line I would like to change it to a center line followed by the color should be 2H type. This is completed. Now the bottom half there is one more curve of 32 radius, but where exactly the center of the curve, that we don't know. That center we don't know. So this center. So what I'll do, I'll have an option called tan radius here, tangent and radius. I'll take that from here to this point. There should be a radius of 32. Yeah, correct. TR double enter. Unwanted things I'll remove. This is not required. This is also. So internally the complete curve I'll select and delete. Now the required shape we got. Internally there is one more radius which is of 12 radius. Again I'll go with same option called tan radius between 1 and 2. 12 radius. Okay. Then I'll say TR double enter. Unwanted things I'll remove. These are unwanted. Select the curve, then delete. Now there is a more extra piece or edge is there. Let me remove. Let me see the other side. It is fine. As there is an axis line extension, so we got an extra piece. So now it is fine. In between these two circles there is a curve of radius, again 12. Again I'll go with tan radius from this circle to this circle is 12. Escape TR double enter to remove unwanted. We got the shape. Similarly other side there is a straight line. No need of any tangent radiuses. Directly I can drag a straight line. But before doing that, let me draw the other end also. There is an offset of 65. The center line offset double enter, then I take this up to 65. There wherever we got an intersection, there you need to drop a circle of 15 radius. So directly I'll take center radius at this point, a radius of 15. Go back. Then in between you need to draw a tangent line. Simply I'll take a straight line from here. Shift right click on tangent from here to this point. Again you are unable to find the tangency. Shift right click tangent. Get it. Okay. Now again you can give the same option or else you can mirror it. Select mirror. So you have to try different ways of drawing the sketch, then only you will understand better, you will remember. Okay, that is the reason I use all the tools. Okay, I just can repeat the same task to the other side also, but I am not doing it. Okay, then I go with trimming the portion unwanted. TR double enter. This is not required. This part and the bottom. Similarly, this one. Internally some portion is left. Zoom out completely, make it big and see which is not required. This is completely, I just delete it. This is how the shape look like, followed by there is a rectangle 20 by 4. Rectangle 20 by 4. This I will show you with some other option. Directly you can draw here a rectangle or else you can take a rectangle. This length is 20, tab, the height is 4. Okay, this I can move till this point. I just select it, M, enter. This is one way of doing the. Select the midpoint, keep F8 off, take it to the intersection. Done. This is how it look like. okay, or else directly you can draw. That is also one of the method, but this method I would like to show you. Okay, now there is a straight line passing through L, enter, from this quadrant point till F8 on till it meet with the intersection. Whenever you have this kind of intersection, the line need to meet the inclination, so take an extension and drop. Okay, better always TR, double enter, remove unwanted, then it will properly intersect with this. Now I'll try to select this line. Let me change it to center line again, change the color to 2H, done. Okay, bottom half is completed. Let me mirror it. Select one, or else you can select like this. Done. Almost all are selected, and this line is not required actually. So let me drag like this, one, and this is required, this is required, this is also okay. Then I select simply mirror with respect to horizontal, then yes, no, I'll say. Oh, forgotten to select this one, Control Z, Control Z. The circle is not selected. Let me go individually. This is okay. Circle, line, curve, these two, this is one also, this curve, mirror with respect to this line, note it. Okay, so rest you'll definitely get it, which is very easy. Okay, mirror will help you in that way. One side if you create, you can easily save the time. In between there is a hatching portion. To do that, trim, I'll take option trim, then I remove the axis line pass through this sketch. Then in a single click, with a single click I can do the hatching. H, enter. This is the portion where the offset should be something like this, then say okay. Okay, H is the option, or else directly find it here also. This is how the sketch is constructed. If there is anything unwanted, that you can trim, or axis lines if you keep it as it is also, no problem. This is how the sketch look like. Okay, you can give colors, you can do some lot of manipulations required. Okay, colors can be changed, thickness of the lines can be changed, and one circle can be kept in one color, other can be kept in another color. That I will discuss when I actually discuss about layers topic, which is very important in this AutoCAD. Okay, any questions you can drop in the comment box given below. Thank you.